Hey YouTube, I have S63 156 engine, 2009, that came in with knocking noise from the valves. We took the valve covers off and we noticed on the camshaft, on the intercamshaft, we had worn out on the camshaft themselves, you can see. And then after we took the lifters out, we found this lifter right here, had a hole through that. So that's what was making the ticking noise. Very common problem on the 156 engines. We replaced all the hydraulic lifters with new ones, as you can see here, and we're going to put the cams back in. This engine, the timing is a little more complicated, something I don't recommend somebody that doesn't have the experience to mess with. Take it to a repair shop if you have the same noise. But we're going to put the cams back in. There is a bunch of different tools that involved in putting it together, and hopefully the noise is going to go away. Just wanted to kind of like give you a heads up on S63 or any kind of the 63 AMG engines. If you have any kind of issues on knocking from the engine, probably the cams creating the noise with the hydraulic lifters. I've seen that already several times. And thanks for watching the video. Sign up to my channel. We work on Mercedes. I can give you a lot of updates and a lot of ins and outs about the engines and the cars in general. Thank you.